Hey there, fellow explorers. Ready for the ultimate travel thrill? Get ready to have your wanderlust ignited as we're about to dive headfirst into the captivating wonderland that is Istanbul, Turkey, right here on Dan's Travel Tips. Imagine a city where ancient history and modern magic blend seamlessly, where every corner tells a story and every bite is a journey. Istanbul is not just a destination, it's a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be unlocked. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a shopaholic, or just an adventurer seeking the extraordinary, Istanbul has something special in store for you. Join us as we uncover the top things to do in this mesmerizing city, here exclusively on Dan's Travel Tips, because Istanbul isn't just a place, it's an invitation to wander, wonder, and be forever enchanted. Our odyssey commences with a visit to Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, each a testament to the city's illustrious past. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Hagia Sophia, a monumental architectural masterpiece that has gracefully served as a church, mosque, and now a museum. As you step inside, prepare to be enthralled by the harmonious blend of Christian and Islamic art and architecture that tells the story of Istanbul's rich heritage. Now let's make our way to the majestic Blue Mosque, or the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, known for its resplendent blue tiles and impressive domes. Take a moment to soak in the profound tranquility within its walls. The Sultanahmet Square, where these historic wonders reside, offers a serene ambience for reflection and awe. Our journey continues with a voyage along the shimmering Bosphorus, the iconic strait that gracefully divides Europe and Asia. A Bosphorus cruise is an absolute must for any visitor. As you glide along the tranquil waters, you'll be treated to vistas that will forever be etched in your memory. Gaze upon Istanbul's captivating skyline with landmarks like the Topkapi Palace, the Dolmabahce Palace, and the imposing Rumeli Fortress, adding grandeur to the landscape. And don't forget to capture that picture-perfect moment as you pass under the breathtaking Bosphorus Bridge, a true marvel of engineering and beauty. Istanbul is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a paradise for your taste buds. Let's savor the culinary wonders that await you. Our first stop is the Grand Bazaar, a sensory delight where you can sample some delicious Turkish delight, a confectionery treat that comes in various flavors and textures. While you're here, don't miss out on the opportunity to indulge in some delectable street food. Try the famous simit, a sesame-crusted bread ring that's the perfect snack to keep you energized as you explore. Venture a little deeper into the winding streets and you'll find mouth-watering kebabs that are grilled to perfection. Each bite is a burst of flavors, and the experience is nothing short of exquisite. And of course, no visit to Istanbul is complete without savoring a traditional Turkish breakfast. Imagine a spread of olives, various cheeses, fresh bread, tomatoes and cucumbers. A delightful start to your day. After satisfying your palate, it's time to wander through Istanbul's bustling bazaars. Our next destination is the world-renowned Grand Bazaar. This labyrinthine marketplace is a treasure trove of Turkish culture and craftsmanship. Lose yourself in the narrow alleys lined with shops selling everything from hand-woven carpets to intricate ceramics, dazzling jewelry, and fine textiles. The air is filled with the sense of exotic spices and the sound of bargaining, creating an enchanting atmosphere that's uniquely Istanbul. For a more authentic experience, make your way to the Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar. Here, you'll be greeted by the intoxicating aromas of spices, teas, dried fruits, and Turkish delight. It's a feast for both your senses and your shopping bags, as you can pick up souvenirs to cherish or share with loved ones back home. Istanbul is a living museum of history, and you'll find relics of the past around every corner. Our next stop is the Topkapi Palace, a sprawling complex that once served as the residence of Ottoman sultans. Step into the opulent rooms, stroll through the immaculate courtyards, and be awestruck by the intricate details that adorn every corner. Make sure to visit the treasury to marvel at dazzling jewels and priceless artifacts, offering a glimpse into the opulence of a bygone era. But our journey through history doesn't stop there. Just a short walk away, you'll discover the Basilica Cistern, an underground marvel from the Roman era. As you descend into its eerie subterranean chambers, you'll encounter the haunting gaze of Medusa's heads that support its columns. This hidden gem is a testament to Istanbul's layered history waiting to be explored. Istanbul's vibrant arts and culture scene will ignite your imagination. Our next stop is the Istanbul Modern Museum, where you can immerse yourself in contemporary Turkish art. Here, you'll find thought-provoking exhibitions that showcase the talent and creativity of local artists. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, offering a window into the dynamic art scene of Istanbul. For a more traditional experience, head to the Hagia Pasha Cultural Centre, where mesmerising whirling dervishes perform the Sufi dance. This ancient ritual is a mesmerising display of spirituality and grace, and it provides a profound glimpse into Turkey's cultural heritage. To truly experience the diversity of Istanbul, we venture to the Asian side of the city. Kadıköy, a charming district, offers a different pace and vibe compared to the bustling European side. Start your day with a visit to the lively Kadıköy market, where vendors display fresh produce, spices, and artisanal goods. It's the perfect place to savour the local flavours and immerse yourself in the daily life of Istanbulites. As you stroll along the serene seaside promenade, take in the picturesque views of the European side, where historic landmarks adorn the skyline. For lunch, indulge in the Culinary Delights at Hagia Sophia, a renowned restaurant that serves authentic Turkish dishes. From succulent kebabs to flavourful mezzes, you'll embark on a gastronomic journey that's uniquely Asian side Istanbul. After a day of exploration, it's time to unwind like a local in a traditional Turkish bath or hammam. Our next destination is an oasis of relaxation. Picture yourself in a serene marble room surrounded by the soothing sound of flowing water and the warm, ambient light. As you soak in the warm, soothing waters, the stresses of your journey will melt away. Pamper yourself further with a rejuvenating massage that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated. It's a time-honoured ritual that has been cherished for centuries, and experiencing it in Istanbul is a must for anyone seeking the ultimate in relaxation and self-indulgence. As the day gives way to evening, Istanbul transforms into a city of enchantment. Our next stop is the historic Galata Tower, an iconic symbol of the city. Climb to the top to witness the sun setting over Istanbul. The panoramic views are nothing short of magical as the city's landmarks and the Bosphorus shimmer in the fading light. Once night descends, Istanbul's vibrant nightlife comes to life. From rooftop bars like 360 Istanbul that offer stunning views to traditional Turkish music and dance performances, there's something for everyone. Enjoy a nightcap while gazing at the city's twinkling lights and let the sounds of Istanbul serenade you into the night. And there you have it, dear viewers, our whirlwind tour of the best things to do in Istanbul. This city is a treasure trove of history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're exploring its iconic landmarks, savouring its culinary delights, or simply soaking in its unique atmosphere, Istanbul will leave you with memories to cherish forever. Before we bid you farewell, a reminder to hit that like button and subscribe to Dan's Travel Tips for more incredible journeys. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know if you have any travel destinations you'd like us to cover in the future. As we conclude this adventure, we hope that Istanbul has found a special place in your heart, just as it has in ours. Until next time, fellow travelers, happy exploring!